days of unlocking Mumbai, the BEST buses have now opened for people. But there is a cap on the number of people that are allowed to travel in the BEST buses. Not more than 30 people are allowed to travel in the BEST buses, and not more than 5 standing passengers are allowed in this limit of 30. Also, at the same time, we understand the buses have started on 86 routes. From today, 10% of staff is allowed in private offices, while 15% in government offices. Now, BEST buses remain a very, very major mode of transport in Mumbai, and you can see the kind of crowd that BEST ropes in is also huge. But if we can show you the situation on ground, the picture is not that great. People here complain that they have been waiting for hours altogether for BEST buses to come up. This is the situation as of now, as of BEST buses is concerned. Because the limit is already being full, people are not able to get the BEST buses. They are seen running after the buses, pleading that they be stopped so that they can go in. Many people are supposed to report to offices today, and they all claim that they have been already late by 30 minutes to 1 hour. Let's try and speak to a few passengers. Sir, आप बताइए, आप कब से रुके हैं BEST बस?
1 घंटे से।
क्यों लेट हुई है?
बस आ ही नहीं रहे, रुक नहीं रहे जल्दी।
क्या बोल रहे हैं?
वो लोग फुल हो गया, एक सीट पे 22 सीट ले रहे हैं।
अच्छा, तो आप बताइए, आपको कितनी बसेस मिस करनी पड़ी?
कम से कम 10 हो गया। सुबह 1-1.5 घंटे से खड़े हैं यहाँ पे।
कहाँ पे है आपका ऑफिस?
ऑफिस लोअर पैकेज में।
तो आप कितनी बसेस चेंज करनी पड़ेगी?
बस एक ही करी रोड से, उसके बाद पैदल जाना पड़ेगा करीब 1 किलोमीटर।
आज पहला दिन है ऑफिस में?
हाँ, पैदल।
और कितने लेट हो गए आप?
9 बजे पहुँचना था, ऑलरेडी अब 1 घंटे लेट हो चुका वैसे भी।
Absolutely. Because of the limit that has been set in, people are not allowed to travel in huge numbers. But because of this, they claim that enough number of buses are not also being provided, which is causing a lot of inconvenience to people. Sir, आप बताइए, आपको कहाँ जाना है ऑफिस के लिए?
हमें तो जाना साइन में बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, 2-2 घंटा रुकना पड़ता है।
अच्छा, तो कितने देर के लिए वेट कर रहे हैं आप बसेस के?
हमने 1 घंटा हो गया, 1 आवर से।
तो क्या बोल रहे हैं, BEST बसेस क्यों नहीं?
ये बहुत कम चल रही है BEST पर, हम लोग जैसे सीट 1 पर्सन लेते हैं।
Where we are right now is actually the area of Kurla. It is very close to the Bandra Kurla complex. This is one of the major industrial commercial hub zones of the city. A lot of people are required to come here in huge numbers to report to offices. But the situation as far as BEST buses is concerned is very poor. In fact, what you can see, people behind me are waiting for BEST buses for almost hours together. This is the morning time of Mumbai that we are reporting about, but many are left with pretty much inconvenience because there are not enough buses for them, and this remains the situation for most people who are waiting for BEST buses, having to either depend on other public transport, which is also either expensive or not available in good numbers. This is Neha Kulkarni reporting for Mirror Now.